Welcome to Bow Ventures. This is our room tour for 6074 on the Disney Wish. I hope you enjoy it. It was our first ever cruise, and make sure you check out our full vlog on our channel of our embarkment day. So our room is 6074, and it is a deluxe family room with a veranda. So we'll show you the bathrooms later there. We have their TV, the bed, and we have a Cinderella theme here. I don't have any of the lights on right now, so it's a little dark in here. So on this side there is a bunk bed, or bed that comes out of the ceiling, and then this bed pulls out, I believe, as well. So you can fit up to 5, I believe. Lots of room in here. Looks like it's an adjoining room as well, if you have more than one person. Hello.
Hi.
Were you able to get out? You know. No. Oh, it's a sliding. I think you had it.
I don't know. I tried and
there
I was
it is.
like, I'm not getting it.
There it is. I figured it out. Jessie didn't figure it out.
No, I didn't. I
pull down and let it go even, and then slide it. So we have a little bit of an extended one. Which does have a little blockage here, but it doesn't really affect anything, I don't think.
Make the chair.
So this is our first cruise, so I'm not sure how much bigger this is than a regular deck or veranda, but I guess it's bigger. We're on the little bump out, and then walking back into our room. There's a bunch of USBs here and plugins. Then you can turn on, looks like mirror, ceiling, curtain, and balcony. I'll go turn that on now. So again, room 6074, we have lights on now, so we can see a little bit better than our first one. We can see here we have a Cinderella room. I like how the stars are shiny. And the TV here, and lots of awesome different shelves here to place your stuff. And Jessie's exploring the little drawer here. There's postcards and cool pen. We might have to send some postcards.
Yes, please.
Ooh, the mirror ceiling. Ooh. So it's like a curtain, balcony light, and ceiling, and the mirror. You can control there under the mirror. There's lots of space in the room. So you can see the pull-out bed there. That would get pulled down from the ceiling, and then this bed also pulls into a bed. Then I'll show the veranda one more time.
You can pre-order breakfast.
Jessie's excited for pre-order breakfast. Our extended out veranda. So that's a short little tour of room 6074. So highlights here on the bump out, so a little bit further out of a veranda. And lots of room for your family and storage for everything. Nice big bed. Which has some storage underneath of it as well. Great artwork there for Cinderella. And then I actually didn't show the washroom, so here's the shower. Washroom area, so it's separated, the washroom or the shower and the toilet. And you get H2O still, that is going away eventually, but still here, so we get to try that again still. And then they have H2O body lotion as well, and H2O sea salt facial soap. And yeah, it is raised here, so you have to watch your step. And then the toilet. It's just a little room here. Really good lighting. I love the tile work. We have a little like night light there under the sink. And that is room 6074. So excited if you're staying in here to check it out. And make sure you comment below and let us know how you like staying in this room. And never forget, Boventure is up
It's
there.
out there. On the cruise.
Forgot to show that there's also a little cooler in here. It's not super cold, so I'm not sure if it reaches a certain temperature, but hopefully this keeps some drinks that we brought cool.